I'm Adam Grubb at AIA here at the DaVinci Roofscapes booth, and I'm with Jeff Karo.
We're promoting our new product, Province Slate. When we took a look at our product offering a couple years ago, we noticed an opportunity. We needed something that was going to be historically accurate with an 8-inch exposure. We wanted something that was going to build on the knowledge that we have on as far as installation for our contractors to make that easier for them, as well as an opportunity in a market where we would be more competitive for people that want a slate type product but think that it's too expensive for them. Aesthetically, this is molded from an actual piece of natural slate, so you get the natural authenticity and the non-repeating beauty of natural slate. This is opening the door to custom home builders, architects that didn't think they would be able to do something like this. Now they have a product, they have an option.
And outside of the durability and the install, the aesthetics of it as well. So there's a lot of different ways that this product goes on and looks and feels. You guys have something for a lot of different applications.